All right, so here's New Kid in Town by the Eagles. Here's all the leads and stuff. So we got the E kind of opening. When it goes to the B chord, we got, so that's the 2 4s, D and G strings, hammered into the 6 of the D string. Keep it real tall so you hear the one below it. Back to the 4s, and then 7 on the A string. Back into a quick hammer into that 6. So. The next one goes 4 and 2 on the A and D strings, to the 6 and 4, to the big 7, and then you got D string and G string, 6s to 4s, pull off. So the whole thing we got. Okay, so here we get 14s up here. Hit it twice, go to 11s. 11s to 9s. 9s to 7 and 6 twice. Then we have 12s. 9 to 7. 7 to 5. 5s to that 6 right there. Open both bottom ones there. You got the harmonics on the second and first string. So we got. Couple more harmonics after that. Okay, and then we're into a verse. Now the verse is going to have the E for a while, and then it has that F sharp minor B. Here we can hit like a 4 4 2 and the D string down to the B to those 4s. Another way to do your F sharp minor to B a couple times. So this fill kind of has a 2 and a 1 here on the D and G strings, and it slides the 4 and 2 into the 7 and 6 to the 6 4. Back to the 7 6 to 6 4. So it's. Okay, and they do a lot of riffs where they kind of have that same kind of going up the scale on a couple different strings. Now, as we keep going through this, when we get to that, we're gonna have up the E string, 2 1 open open, and then put the pinky on here in the 4th fret of the D string. 4 1 open open, and then 6 6 4 4. And then put that 5 in here to make that a major instead of a sus. So it's. Now we're going to get into the C sharp minor chord here, but we're going to have a. And just ring out the F sharp major chord. So we got. So it's like a bass, kind of the power chord part. And then the high chord, high part of the chord again. Strum that one. We do this 3 times back and forth. Then hit an F sharp minor. 6 and 4. 7 and 6. And that's where we hold that E for a couple bars and we get started into a new type of a verse thing. Now our next fill in this next verse is going to be. Okay, so we got 9s, da, 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 to the 9 and 8, and then 7 and 6, 6 4 4 2. So it's 1. Okay, and we carry on with that verse. We get in the. And then we have a fill in this one. Okay, so it's 2 and 1. Into the 6 and 4. Into the 9s. Into the 14, 13. So. 9 8 7. To 4 4 4. 2 beats each. Those are both B chords. 1 2 3 4. Here's a little fill. We got 4 and 6, D and G strings. Hammer in that 6 real tall. back, and then 7/6 on the A string. Okay, so here's our lead here. We got 12/12. So 12/12 and then 12 to 9. Then second string 12 and then bend. So we got, these two are pickup notes. So it's like da da 1. So we have a regular 12, then a bent 12. 12 underneath. This goes up and down 12 to the 10, 11 on the G string. That riff again, so 12, 12 bend, little 12. Bend that 14 up and hold it. Then we're going to the 19. Bend it up and then play it normal. That's 17, 16, 17. 16 and then 14, 12, 11. So one more time on that, we got. So the next fill is, so we got 7 and 6, 6, 4, and then 9 and 8, 7, 6, 6, 4 to 4, 2. So it's, okay, now we have a new thing that's going to go 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. So you have a rest on the first half of the first beat there, and you go 11, 9, 9, 9. So 1 and 2 and 3. Same timing on this F sharp, 4, 3, 2, 2. 1 and 2 and 3. There's another cool fill that comes up. So we go into the 9 on the D, into the 8 on the second string there. Take that down to the 7s, to the 5s, and then 4, 2 on the D. So, and then we have one that's kind of like a, so kind of back and forth, 12 to 14 on the D, and then slide into the 14. 13, 12 on the B, D string, then bend this 13 on the B. So it's like, and then we have one that goes, slide into the 16 on the G, 15, 14 here, and then 14, 15, part of a D chord. Then we have, so we have 7 and 8 to the 9 and 10 and back, and then 4 and 3 to 2 and 1, open G to 2 down here. So we got, then we have 1, 2, O, 2, part of a B7, and then we got this new heavy riff. 3, 2, O on the big one. We wait, and then we go 2, O, 2, O, starting on the D. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it ends up with that. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then we have the A minor, B7. And then it gets into a riff that's like open, 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 open. And then you get like 9s to 9, 8, 7, E to B chord there. So listen for that. And then you'll have like a, at one point, and then it'll kind of switch to a 1, rest. And that's 2 on the second string, 1 on the third string, and back. So it's like rest, rest, rest. Okay, New Kid in Town leads, the Eagles, great stuff, super tasty. Hope you all dug that. Got tabs for this, got the other lesson that had all the rhythm stuff. So hope you dig it. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.